I had green juice one time when I was visiting Mexico, and then I kind of put it out of my mind. And today, just today, I was looking at some vegetables and fruits that I needed to use up, and I thought, I'm gonna make some green juice. So I did, it's delicious, and I immediately told Jeff, we must film this and get this out for you guys. Welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life using real food and we keep it real simple. Today we are gonna make a super easy drink, like a breakfast drink or an after workout drink, or whenever you want to drink it, called green juice. Now green juice can be made a ton of different ways. Obviously it is green in color, as you can see here. Sometimes it's strained, sometimes it's not. I don't like to strain mine because I like it the consistency of like a tomato juice, okay? So think of it that way. If you don't like that consistency, you're gonna want to strain it. Anyway, it's super easy to make. Use what vegetables and fruits you have, but keep them green so that your juice is green. I'm using this type of coconut water, which has pulp in it. So it actually has these little pieces in there, and that adds some coconut to the drink, but you don't really taste that. So if you're not a fan of coconut, don't worry, you don't taste it. If you don't want to use that, you can use any kind of, you can even use water, it'd be fine. Because this does have sugar and of course carbohydrates in it. So it doesn't make it quite as healthy as if you skip that and used water, or even a carbonated coconut water or something like that that didn't have any sugars. But this is what I had on hand. This is what I'm using. All right, so super easy, really, really, really easy. All right, set that over there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab a small Granny Smith apple, and I'm gonna core it. With this blender, you actually don't even have to core it. You could leave the core and the seeds in, and the extract button takes care of all that. But since I'm not gonna strain it, I've decided I'm just gonna go ahead and core it. Good to go, throw that in. I have 2 small kiwi that I have cut the ends off and peeled. I'm just gonna throw those in whole. 2 stalks of celery with the green part. That's what I like to do. You don't have to, you can use without the greens, that's fine. Throw that in the blender. 2 cups of spinach, throw that in the blender. And then I'm gonna throw in the water. You do need some sort of liquid. I'm using 2 cups of that coconut water, which is one of these cans, but some sort of liquid you do need to use. All right, and then the last ingredient, which I don't know if it's normal or not, is a little piece of ginger, fresh ginger, about an inch size, okay, that's peeled. Throw that in, put the lid on the blender, and we're just gonna go on the extract button. Because we have all of these vegetables that we really want them to be completely pulverized, I find the extract works the best for that. So just hit that button. All right, we are all done. So we have just made our green juice. Now, if you don't have the Ninja Foodi Cold Hot blender, you can use any high-speed blender. As long as it's capable of pulverizing all of the fruits and vegetables, you will be just fine. So again, you can strain out the pulp if you want, but I choose not to. And we'll just pour our green juice. I never thought I'd ever be a fan of green juice. It seemed kind of odd, but honestly, it is delicious. What I love about this combination is it is sweet enough. You don't need to add any sweeteners. It is sweet enough. And I think that comes from this coconut water. So if you're gonna use regular water and you wanted to keep it, get it a little bit sweeter, use some Swerve or something like that if you didn't wanna use regular sugar. But it has a nice balance between a fruity and a savory vegetable taste. I mean, it's absolutely delicious, so refreshing, so easy to make. Cheers.